How to watch Netflix on Discord. Open the Discord application. Go to netflix.com. Open Netflix. Click on Get Started if you are new, otherwise it was open to you. You can only watch Netflix on Discord if you have subscription of Netflix. Now go back to Discord. Go to User Profile Setting. Here you can see Advanced option. Click on it. Turn off the hardware acceleration. Go back to your Discord. Again, go to User Setting. Find the option Registered Games. Open it. Add Google Chrome here. Now go back and found Streamer Mode. Turn it on. Now you can see Google Chrome was added to your screen. Click on Screen Share. Select Netflix. Select the default settings. Here you can see Netflix was added to your Discord server. That's all from today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.